Here we go for the lower body warm-up, everybody. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with cardio, as always. Okay, horizontal running, burpees, like this, or squat jumps like this. It's your choice, okay? You do either or, but you go for the full 60 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Okay, spine mobility. For beginners, just circle your head like this. Both directions. Now do your whole spine. Make sure your head moves further than everything else. Okay, change directions. Okay, now we'll do some spinal waves, leading with your head. These ones take a little bit of time to learn. It's okay. Okay, now take up 2 square meters of floor space. Come down for test the water. So we're going to step to the side like this, step behind, and then rotate to the squat. Step to the side, step behind, rotate to the squat. If I face towards the camera, I start from the squat, step to the side, step behind, rotate to the squat. Step to the side, step behind, rotate to the squat. Okay? Show you again from here. Step to the side, step behind, rotate to the squat. Step to the side, step behind, rotate to the squat. Stand up whenever you need to and take a break, and then change sides. So turn around and then you go to the other way, because you're always, if I step to the right here, then when I rotate and go back, I'm stepping to the right again. So that's fine. So you just do whatever you can do, then stand up, turn around, and then come back down. Go the other way. Okay, so again, if I face the camera, step to the side, step behind, and rotate. Step to the side, step behind, and rotate. Step to the side, step behind, and rotate. Come up, turn around. Okay. Step to the side, step behind, rotate, step to the side, step behind, and rotate. Okay, now we get ready for the ankle and squat routine. So, first thing, we're gonna circle the ankles, 5 reps, change directions, close kinetic chain circles, the toe stays on the ground, change directions. Okay, change feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change directions. Close kinetic chain circles. Change directions. Calf raises. Turn the toes out. Turn the toes in. Okay, put some weight on the outside of the foot. Now on the inside of the foot. Change feet, outside, inside, put some weight on top of the foot, Change feet, put some weight on top of the foot. Come down to a squat. One hand on the ground, brace the knee. Wiggle the other knee so that you loosen the hip up. Okay, now push it out. 1, 2, 3, and hold it. If it's too hard for you, you just use your elbow if you can't do it with your hand. Okay, now push the knee out. 1, 2, 3, hold it. Now both knees together, push them out. You can use your knuckles if you want more room. Now coming down, so the head touches the hand, hopefully. Hold it. Grab the ankle, rotate up, straighten the arm. 1, 2, 3. Change sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're into 360 hip mobility. So you go to a cossack squat like this, rotate for the front foot. Okay, from here come down, come back up. Keep that leg straight, rotate around, reach back. Okay, then we change sides. Okay, rotate for that front foot, sink down, come back up. Keep this leg straight as you rotate through, bring your arm around. Okay, now we do another variation. From here, put the back hand on the ground and push up, come back down, rotate around and come forward like this. Change sides, rotate and come up, come back down, rotate around and come through. Good, okay. Now we do a couple of rotations to low bridge. So from here, one hand on the ground behind you, push your knees forward and your hips up, and then change sides. Knees forward, hips up, change sides. Knees forward, hips up, change sides. And for anyone that's worked on this and got the strength and flexibility, you can go all the way around. Very good. Okay, just sit in the squat for a minute and get ready for core activation. Okay, come down on the ground, lay down, and here we go. So pushing your lower back firmly into the ground, feet together, keeping ground. Now the side, lifting up, keep the ear touching the shoulder, lift your legs up high, arms straight, okay, change, arms up, legs together, arms straight, legs straight. Change, side dish again, ear touching the shoulder, legs straight, arms straight, lift the shoulders up, lift the legs up. Okay, now we're up to hanging. So jump up onto one of the chin-up bars, whatever you can reach. We've got different height bars. And just do the best you can do. The goal is to try and hang for 60 seconds, but if you can't do that, that's totally fine. Just hang for as long as you can. If you need to drop down and rest for 10 seconds before you go again, do that. Just relax, do the best you can do. Let the body stretch out. So it's very good for the shoulders, very good for the spine, very good for grip strength. We're almost there, not long to go now. Keep going, almost finished. Well done everyone. Enjoy your workout.